Say goodbye to the frustration of previous strategies that didn't quite cut it. This gold chart strategy blends simplicity and profitability, making it an absolute game changer for anyone looking to up their trading game and rack in those consistent profits you've been craving. Hey there, flow traders, especially you newbies and those who have been having a tough time finding a solid strategy. Are you done with spending hours upon hours scoring the web for a gold chart strategy that actually makes you money and doesn't require PhD to understand? Fear not. After endless searches and trying out a boatload of TradingView indicators, I finally stumbled up the gold chart strategy of your dreams. Prepare to take your gold chart trading to new heights with this user-friendly method. While it works for any time frame, I discovered that a 5-minute chart gives you the best bang for your buck. So let's jump right in and get the gold chart open up. We'll be using the volumetric variable index dynamic average indicator, or VDI for short. To add this bad boy to your chart, head over to the indicator section and click on it. A window will pop up. In the search bar, type in volumetric variable index dynamic average. Once you hit enter, scroll through the search results and select the one created by Big Beluga. Now, let's break down what this impressive indicator does. The VDI indicators combines the standard variable index dynamic average with volume data, helping traders spot potential trend shifts and gauge buying or selling pressure based on price movements and the number of trades happening during those movements. The heart of the indicator is the VDI line, which is essentially a dynamic moving average that adapts to the market volatility. This means that the VDI can roll with the punches and keep up with a constantly changing market, providing us with valuable insight. You might have noticed that the indicator also prints buy and sell signals when the VDI line moves above or below the price candles. While this can be handy, it's important to note that during times of consolidation, these signals might not be as accurate, and they can even lead us astray with counter-trend signals. But do not worry, we will solve this by doing some adjustments, adding a second indicator, and also will let you know the best rules to trade with. And if you be patient, you can also get access to the backtesting results too. So now time for adjustments. Head to the indicator settings and in the inputs tab, let's change the VDI length to 7. Then change the VDI momentum to 14. Then leave the distance factor option at its default value, which is 2. After that, change the source to close. Alright, now head back to the indicator section to add the second indicator. This time, in the search bar, let's type in Repster EMA Cloud and hit enter. This indicator typically uses multiple pairs of EMAs with different time periods. But right after we add it to the chart, let's go to the settings to make a few adjustments. So in the input section, scroll down to the long EMA tree and change it to 45. Then scroll down again and change the long EMA 4 to 90. Then change the source to close. And after that, only enable the Show EMA Cloud 4 and 5. Alright, done with its settings. So let's make sure you've got a solid grasp of identifying trends, because that's going to be crucial for this strategy. So when the price candles are hovering above both EMA clouds, we can call that an uptrend, just like in this example. But remember, if the price sneaks in between the clouds, it's best to hold off on trading, just like you see in this example. After that, you'll notice that the price climbs back above the cloud, signaling that you're in an uptrend once again. On the flip side, when the price dips below both EMA clouds, we've got ourselves a downtrend. Keep in mind, though, that when the clouds are all snuggled up or really close together or looking flat, that's a sign of a sideways market, and we want to steer clear of trading in those conditions. Now, let's get to the fun part. How to rack in the cash with this super simple strategy. When we've got an uptrend, meaning the price is chilling above the clouds, we're on the hunt for buy signal. That's our cue to open a long position in that sweet bullish market. And for the stop loss, we can set it just below the VDL line. And for your target, you have a couple of options. You can trail it with the VDL line, or you can aim for a target that's 1.5 times the risk of your trade. And when it comes with sell trades, just remember that they're essentially the flip side of the buy trades. So when you spot a downtrend, meaning the price candles are hanging out below both EMA clouds, that's your cue to look for sell signals. Once you've identified a sell signal, go ahead and open a short position to capitalize on that bearish market. As for setting your stop loss and target, the process is similar to buy trades, but in reverse. Set your stop loss above the VDL line to protect your trade, and for your target, you can either trail it with the VDL line or aim for the target that's 1.5 times the risk. Here's a friendly reminder. Always keep in mind that signals going against the market trend will likely to be rejected, since this easy peasy strategy is based on the tried and true method of trend following trading. You can see some prime examples of this in action right here. Sticking to the trend is what makes the strategy so darn profitable. And if you're itching to see the proof, let's dive into some backtesting results. We ran the strategy on the gold 5-minute chart with a whopping 200 trades, and the results were stunning. Our win rate at a jaw-dropping 80%. I mean, seriously, when's the last time you've seen such an accurate gold strategy? We also managed to pull in an incredible 642% profit with just those 200 trades. The strategy boosted an unbelievable 6.19 profit factor, which is nothing short of amazing. And to top it off, the max drawdown was only 2.9%, proving that the risk involved is incredibly low. Now, I don't know about you, but those backtesting results have me convinced that this gold chart strategy is the real deal. With the simplicity, profitability, and low risk, there's no reason not to give it a shot at your trading endeavors. So go ahead and put the strategy to the test. I'm confident that you'll be just as impressed with the results as well.
TradeGenius, the name that answers the call. Scalping strategies, making profits for all. Simple and free, turning beginners into stars.